Yo, what's up? Market's just open. Getting a bit of volatility here. Haven't really done an analysis. This is 4 hour low. All time highs up here. We didn't quite make it up there. We swept out this high with double sweeps here. Put this 4 hour down here. Let's be 15 minute. Yeah, so I'd have a sweep down long up to this 15 minute here, or come up into this 15 minute and short down to here. My two ideas for today. ES looks very different to the Nasdaq. Very different indeed. Alright, we swept out this low. See if we get a reversal. We have opened up this 5 minute. So we'll have to see if we inverse that. Or inverse to the upside. But we're about to inverse this on the downside. I might enter short here.
Order filled.
Not risk too much here. This is another bad trade that I've taken. Just pattern trading. Just don't know why. There's no real reason. It's not a good trade. Damn, that was stupid again. Oh, we swept out this. We have a 15 minute above that we're gonna want to tap into. Why would I enter short here? We've just tapped into the 5 minute. Basically, my idea was tap into the 5 minute. We had displacement down, inverse in the 1 minute.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's just what I didn't have much conviction in it. I just took it. I don't know why. Fuck, idiot. It's little losses like that are just stupid. That is actually what makes. I feel like is what I've learned is what makes me feel unprofitable. Like, I feel like the most profitable. I can take the same trades as the most profitable people, but those people don't take the silly trades like that I take sometimes, which holds me back. Like these last two, I knew today's trade and yesterday's trade were both stupid trades, and I knew that. I just wanted to take them because I wanted to have a win. But it's just bad mentality. It's alright. We learn from those. Right, we've tapped into the 15 minute now. See what happens. Got this 1 minute down here. Yeah, I would prefer to see it go higher up into this fair value gap though. But doesn't need to. We are seeing an S&T on ES. However, the high time frames are very different. So I'm not sure how much I can trust the S&T on this. But it's still there. It's still a factor that can contribute. You don't get any displacement down yet though, so we just have to wait and see. Do we have any more fair value gaps open? No, just the 1 minute down here. This trade looks really good. We just don't have the displacement right now. Yeah, so we're just gonna have to. Might have to skip it if like there's no deciding candles. Like I really want to see a really big push down in order to have conviction that this trade is going lower, if the price is going lower. Right now, we're just not getting that. We've had a resweep of the highs. Seeing better, legs down now. No inverse though.
Order filled.
Right, pretty bad entry, but good displacement, I suppose. Whoa, 5 contracts. I did not mean to do that. Shit. Actually, it's just first TP here. Woo! Only TP, I mean. Yeah, accidentally risked too much. Whew, playing right around break even. Making my heart go. Always tempted to go break even at this low, sorry. But there's no real reason to do that. I'm just a bit nervous about this trade, just because I've lost a stupid one earlier and I've risked a bit too much. But just gonna let it play out, is what it is.
Order filled.
There we go. 1 win, 1 loss, that'll be me done for today. Luckily we made that back. Balance 51,965, so we've made a little bit. Yeah, that's the highest this account's been. Very, very happy to make up for these 2 stupid losses this morning and yesterday. Yeah, and plus a little bit extra. Yeah, this is a good trade. Like, this is the trade I should have taken. I should not have taken that one earlier. It's such a stupid trade. This is a perfect setup. Like, we had the 15-minute above. Even though we had swept out these highs already, I do have this massive fair value gap underneath, and also we have been overextended. There's massive gaps underneath. Like, overall, my bias is but bearish. We have opened up this 1 hour, which I was a bit nervous about, but still, the fact that we had the sweep up and then the resweep and then there's such a massive displacement down, that is what I really need to wait for, that I've realised. This displacement rather than... I can't even remember what fucking trade I took earlier, but it was stupid. Yeah, it was this 5 minute. Even, like, I took a 5 minute, even though there's a massive 15-minute above, I literally told myself at the start that I'm going to wait until that 15-minute gets hit or the low gets hit. And I didn't do either of those things. Well, the low did get hit, but then... and we inverse, so, like, technically, we inverse on this 5 minute. Technically, that would have been a better trade to take towards this 15-minute, but yeah, I don't know why. We already taken out that low. We came up, tapped into the 5 minute, and then I took... What did I take? I can't even remember. It was a bad trade. Either way, I shouldn't have taken that one. Yeah, even if I lost this second one, I wouldn't be mad at that loss. I would just be mad at that first one. And I'd be slightly mad that I risked a bit too much. I was a bit silly. I didn't really pay attention to the amount of contracts I entered. But it worked out in the end, so... Got to just move on. Get my head back in the game now. Yeah, no more silly losses like today, like this morning and yesterday. Not this morning, like an hour ago and yesterday. Yeah, let's see what we're on. %63 win rate, should be a bit higher. The average win and average losses are pretty good. I guess the way I can think of it to not be mad at this trade earlier is yesterday I only risked 300. Today I only risked 200, so that can just condense into one trade. That's 1% that I lost on those 2 trades, which is basically what I risk normally on one trade. So yeah, it's not too bad. If I risked 500 and 500 on, I would be so pissed off. But yeah, luckily I didn't. Yeah. All good. Let's get my head back in the game and carry on just clawing my way towards that fucking passing this account, man. I know I'll get there eventually. I need to be a bit more confident. Yeah, my psychology today, earlier and yesterday, hasn't been too good. Just need to be more patient. Look for the A+ setups like this one. That I wouldn't be mad at if I lost. I think that's a good thing for me to say. Like, would I be mad at myself if I lost this one? And if it's a no, then yes, take the trade. If it's a yes, then just like, no way you shouldn't take the trade if you're going to be mad at yourself if you lose it, do you know what I mean? Because that just means it's a bad trade. Like, if it's a good trade and you lose, it's not really a big deal. Like, it's a good trade, you should take that 10 out of 10 times. But yeah, that's my rant over. Gonna enjoy the rest of my day. Catch you in a bit.